Hi everyone, it's me Andrew and Poppy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You'll see my face in a minute, okay? Let's look for the window. And after this, we're going to the front. See those stuff? They're still there, but it's empty. Nobody's in there. The windows are dirty, but don't care. You can see the front, and there's a door and those tables. Let's look on the other side for a minute. We were on that side, but now we're on this side. And there's nothing that's in there besides tables and stuff. Nobody's in there, but it's empty. And it's right next to the train tracks. See? I told you I was next to Winn-Dixie. And there's an empty sign. See? I'm gonna pause this video for a minute, okay? See everyone, there's the dumpster spot, but there's no dumpster and there's trees in there. But what a mess. Let's go look in the front. I'll pause it for it now. Now we're in the front, okay? Let's look for the windows. See? We were over there, but now we're on this side. Nothing. See those tables? We were over there. There's nothing. See, a laundry mat is opening over there, where the old Metro, where the Bank of America was. Okay, that's where it is. Coin, laundry, opening soon. Bye everyone. This is Andrew and Poppy signing off. Bye.